Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a product has inventory but shows as sold out on Shopify. For example, this one right here, as you can see, it shows as out of stock. Now, what you want to do is go to your Shopify account, and here we have different products. Let's say this one, the copper light. You can see there's 5 in stock, right? So if you click on this and you go to the inventory section, we have different locations. We have Montreal, we have Toronto, and in the Montreal location, there's 5 available. But in the Toronto location, there's 0 available. So what you do is you come to the bottom left, click on settings on this gear cog. And then from here, you'll see locations, go there, click on the location that you had inventory. So for example, Montreal. And then I want you to scroll down here, you'll see fulfillment details. So I just want you to toggle this option on, fulfill online orders from this location. And then come here, click on save. Your location has been saved, and the products from this location will be available to the other location. So if you refresh the page, you will see that there will be stock. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.